If you're 45 and under, Social Security likely won't be an option for you. Jobs that offer 401ks and pensions, where they do that at? Truth is, our generation, we're not gonna have the same benefits that our parents did in retirement, and we have to start planning for these things now. So let's go over the facts. According to the US Census Bureau, the average millennial salary is about $47,000 a year, and the net worth is about $8,000. What most millennials do have is a ton of debt. Now, according to Experian, the average millennial carries about $78,000 in consumer debt. And we haven't even gotten started on student loans. The average millennial carries about $40,000 in student loan debt. And while we are definitely grateful for President Biden and his administration and their efforts to begin the student loan forgiveness, that type of debt, if you're doing it on income-based repayment, would take about 20 years to pay off. We don't invest in the stock market, and we like to keep our money in cash. But we're gonna learn today how learning this skill set over time will allow you to responsibly invest in whatever asset class you choose, whether it be foreign exchange currency, whether it be stocks, whether it be commodities. This is transferable anywhere. Now, I'm partial, of course, to forex. Reasons on why every millennial and everyone who identifies as a Gen Zer should learn to trade. It's a skill set that no one can ever take from you. Once you learn it, you got it. And the sky is the limit on what you can do with it. The second reason is because the transferability of the skill set. So a lot of people get stuck up in, oh, I don't want to trade forex. Well, that's fine. Once you learn the technical aspect of trading, you can pretty much apply it to any asset class. And I mentioned this earlier in the video. It could be stocks. It could be commodities. It could be whatever you want to trade, you could trade, right? And so you don't have to be limited to just forex. You can learn how to mark up a chart and go trade stock options, so it can be whatever you want it to be. The third reason is because you have higher leverage than what you would in the stock market. Now, I'm not saying go out here and be irresponsible and trade crazy lot sizes. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is you can acquire or compound wealth a little bit faster this way than you can going through the traditional stock market. With stocks, you can only buy, you can't sell. On options, you can do a call or a put, buy or sell. Just investing in the stock market, period. The only way you can go is up. In forex specifically, you can make money whether the trend is up, whether the trend is down, or even sometimes when the market is moving sideways in a range, you can still make opportunity for yourself to earn. So you can take a small account and you can grow it, and you could probably grow it faster than what you would trying to trade something else. So yeah, learning this skill set, you're gonna have to sacrifice a little bit of time in order to get it, right? Created a group where we put together like some really good information that'll help you take, not as long as we did, to master this and to get it and to really understand it. You can check it out by clicking the link in the video description. We want to shorten your learning curve. So yes, you can take those 1,300 hours you spend a year on social media and put it towards learning this skill set so that you can, work towards securing a plan for your future.